Kani kadai kadudash Meghalaya bat ngi pedang subhai pi baro syakani katup kubo mentega janmiet syaban paish kubo ki babnya ini pechwai ki mat bekongsan. Kubur uba omban ba kiudor ki jhur ki jhab bat kado hanong ba shlong kentai pat ba kadon ka jin kiudor ha ka jela baro kwai. On board ke jela Meghalaya ya ko hukum jong soka pedeng ban penteri kamno dagi smart meter ong menteri ketnat boarding. Penlong jingilang ngolem ke KHDC hadian ke jingklat kendit UMDC ke nong thamai uba latip lang karkongor. Kentaj menteri ketnat boarding ban ailat i kali kiba kam kia banyak lingba ke jingking yam hadian bagasoka kala pelut palat alpau klur ban maramot eka. But Shong yaki keseng Voice of the People Party ban persyak jur ya ke jingkiu dor ki mar ki mata. Ikubo ki babnya. Menteri Ketnat Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs uba a Komingon Omban mentagasngi ula kubur bakat ba kador kamur jong ki jhur ki jhab bakado hanong ba shlong ka kam kiu khendiat khansoit kam shimna donpat ka jingkiu dor habaro ka we ka jela. Ula kentok persyak ru ya keseng VPP ke balapan kela kam sain perthai halo ke nikamat haswa ke election MDC. Unia menteri ula ong ba ka jingkiu dor ka dei na ka jing shitom ban penpoi ya ki mar ki mata da ka babatai ru ba ki trok ki bakit ya ki jhur ki jhab ki dei ban ya na surok mau ka siang namar om syaya i kali he na jingking yam. Syuk-syuk ka jing bom don jong ki rel ki ban penyeso bat kenong ba jong ka jela kala kentiu syuk-syuk ru ya ka baikit bai ba.
The mechanics also different because when you purchase a retail, you have to select a good item, no? Like onion, suppose you do wholesale, you purchase around 50 rupees per kg in one bag. Then after you reach Laim Kura, some roasted also there. These people retail, they have to increase the price, no?
Ka sorka jela mentaga ka laperkhat sani ban penteri kamno daga smart meter hapo jela Meghalaya hadian ka jingsha penbor na ka sorka pedeng. Menteri ketnat boarding u 80 mondal uloong baga sorka pedeng kala dep rai ban penteri kam yakani ka project om tang hapo jela Meghalaya Henry habro ka wei keri. Mondal uloong bakani ka jingle akan selam sya ka jing bom don kam syu ya palat pras pa ngut kinong pulia meter bat an hap pen kala kamno yaki dakumwei.
If they are not required, where we'll put them? So maybe redeployment or rearrangement, something like that. So we are working very cautiously to see that this sector is having some hope as far as the consumers are concerned. For example, the distribution is missing because loss is on AT&C and transmission and distribution losses are there.
Ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council mentagasngi kala pelong ka jingyalang ban ngolem halo ka jingklat ba kendit jong MDC jong kanong thamai constituency uba latip lang karkangor uba laklat no akasngi palei janmiet. Usi ka KHDC uba penyak sings ulale burom ya unio nongelam balaklat no bat ulapan kenmau ru ya ki jingno senyang jong hakikam ki ba ulatrei ka bakentup ru kum chief executive member barim. Ulapan paru ya ka jinglan ladie ba ka jingno senyang jong uba karkangor sya ka KHDC aga ba ula syaji ru hadu sausian lentern adu usnam ahajasau ka belapan pau syai ru ya ka jing syanya teli telan jong ki pai ba ya UMDC kenong thamai constituency ula khlat no khat artrik unailur Shillong Civil Hospital hadian bola shitom lakham slam.
Ki men ki para nanta ki macan mapa ki besta lambati nanta ki baro ki bahia badan jeng dei ki bajan bati te kumjuru ni pha ku bos mulam ru ik pai ba kanong thamai constituency ki bladu no ki nongelam UMC joki.
Menteri Ketnat Boarding U80 Mondal Loong ba omla da lele ru ban aila di kali he bat ki kali kiba kham khia banya na ka jingkieng dam yam hadian baka sorkar kala dep ban pelut palat arpau klur tingka ban maramot bat pen klan biang yeka ulo ong ba ka dei ban don no kham kloi da ka wei ka surok bat ka jingtrei ka be dei bat ka ne ka layat shikmat da ka ba kubor ba kala don bon ka jing kentho persha ka be dei bat ka ne ka jing perking u menteri ulo ong ba tang ba ki khuslai jing mut tang ya ka ne ka jingkieng henry ki khuslai ru ya ka ne ka dam ka bala ban penmi kumba shispa nyopo megawatt ka boarding electric Katanat PWD kalawat lat wat lenti ban teino da ka jingkieng nar ba shipor la ne ka jingkieng Bailey ban ailat I kali ki ba kham khia ban lej ban wan shanong ba shlong.
Done, all these things are happening, and whenever or whichever way you say, and whomever I meet, they only mention about the concern of the breeze only, but our concern is also of the dam also, its safety, and it should be there in place, because this is the dam which gives us the opportunity to get around 176 megawatt of power. So if any untoward incident happens, then where will be us? So our actually look out to see that dam is in a safe condition.
Da ka jing bom sngow hun ya ka jing le kuman jong soka Meghalaya ha ka bia dei ba ka jing kiu dor palat put jong ki mar ki mata ki ba kong san e ka seng liang persha ka Voice of the People Party la ne VPP menta ka sngi ka la chong ki persha e ka jing kiu dor hamadan football malki kane ka seng ka la pen pau ya ka jing sngow ngya jong ka na ka daw ba ya kane ka mat shim la ki kren bha satya ha ka dor bar badang shu dang kut shen ya kane ka jing ki jongka la ai jing kershan ru da bon teli ki seng bat ki pat ba da ka bara ki jing tho berta ki babon ka seng VPP ka la pha ya ka khubor ka ba shai ka dar sha ka sorkar ha ka ba ka la kentu ban le ai no mardor ban te la kam ya ka jing ki dor jong ki mar ki mata ki ba kong san
to express a concern rising out of the exorbitant rate of essential commodities in our state. So which is why we are here to demonstrate as a party and to convey a message to the government so that the government will take this matter seriously.
Menteri Ketnat Community but Rural Development UAT Mondal ulapan kesan ya ka jing penslam ban siu pisai ki bedon job card da ka boong ba ka sorkar ka pelaj ki song tingka marsen yo e ka pisa na ka sorkar pedeng da ka ba pentip ba ya ki song tingka la pha bet sha ki account jong ki bedon job card ulaong ba ki jing siu ki bedang sakut ki dei ki mat ki bayai beteng but marsen dep pen khoj ya ka wei ka jing siu ka berim sa ka wei pat ka jing siu ka bethamai ka sakut Ulaong ru bala dep betha ya baro ki block development officer bakin jurep ahlo ki jing pendon kam bakla ya ki song tingka ka ba ulaong bala jut tokit na ka por se ka por habadon ki jing keno bam sap ki bapau perthei
As I told you earlier, that wages component are directly released by Government of India to the accounts of the job card holders. So if they don't release, so our job card holders are not getting the wages. But as I told you earlier, that it is a continuous process. It is not that it is pending for years together.
President Kaseng BJP jong kani ka jala u badeiru MDC Ketura u Bernard and Marak u lapan pau ka jingbom sngotanat jong u ya menteri rang ba ka jala u Conrad Sangma nakadaw ba shim la budien ye ka sos skolar blete apdeng ka sorkar ba ka kanhun leno ka bladu no ka ANVC u laong ba watla kiladon katukat ni ka jing kerpat ka sorkar kampat le AA Satya hadu menta Ula keno persya ru ya ke soka bakala tenra kala nadien yaki haka election Lok Sabha ke badang syudep dangshan haka ba kaseng BJP kala kershan purai kaseng NPP hendai kabala syak keno kala penban nak benta kajing syakrem jong ke kertong kaseng NPP.
They always backstab us. Before the election, in 2018 election also, we have a written agreement with the CM. And after the election, they never cared, like he never considered that agreement as official. Then after that, last election also you have seen in the Lok Sabha, they told us to support, we supported. And for the failure of their candidate. They're blaming the BJP. So we do not want that.
Ki nong hikai SSA hapok Kshatri jong ka Meghalaya SSA School Association lani MSSA kila pentip ya ki nong hikai bakin wanishim benta. Haka jing lang patba ka banlong haka arpoi tarik ubnai nailor hayeng dorbar riat samthia ban ya phliu jing mud halo ki mat ki be dei ba ka jing siu tulop bat ban pen scam purai ki kam jong ki. Aba ai jing krench kila patai kubo mantaka sngi u president jong ka MSSA uba Aristotle Rambai uloong bakine ki jing dawa ka long ban pen tikna bakin long kinong hikai bapura bat ban pen kieu ya ka tulop jong ki. Uba Aristotle uloong ba kinong elam kile kendo ya state project director jong ka SSA u Swapnil Tembe ha ka shipauterik unai lor banyekran halo kini ki artli ki jing dawa.
And during that meeting, he informed the association that he have received an instruction from the Commissioner and Secretary, Education Department, Government of Meghalaya, to put, for a time being, to put on hold the proposal for enhancement of salary.
Ka jingyai paitba ka gau Pratishtha Andolan lane la pelong hakari berok kawai ban kentiu ya ka kerdan jong ka masi syaga kerdan Rashtra Mata lane ka kemie jong ka ri da ka bara e ka kendon ya da masi na ka thup trekam jong ki jela syaga thup trekam ka soka kemie hakari ti senshar kari bat ban pen sange no ya ka jing shodo e ka masi hapori India kum shibenta jong ka ne ka jing yakhi ka jingyai paitba gau tuach Sthapana Bharat Yatra kan sedang naduk ke apu atarik unai luar haduk ke apu tarik urisau ahaja apusau. Kani ke yatra kan selit yuk kejat syabarok kinong ba jong ke jela bat jong ke Union Territory. Hinen ke sengi ke seng HYC ke lapelong ke jingekhi ke bepersya ya kani ke yatra bat mentak ke sengi pat ke seng hitoru ke lapak de ke shiti sya umintirang ba ke jela ban perking ya ke gau duach Sthapana Bharat Yatra Meghalaya.
On our fundamental right. Nobody can dictate us what to eat and what not to eat. Even in the Wildlife Act, also only dog and cats are included, not a cow. These people, their intention, we allege from the organization that they want to make to create trouble, especially in October in the month of Durga Puja. So we condemn and we ask the government not to allow these people. But if they allow, we have no option, but we will raise our flag. That is the Federation of Khasi state flag, known as Arpusan Hima.
Ka PA Sangma Foundation lane ka PASF kala pelong ya ka jing plie bat ka jing rakhe kerpang ban sam ya ka scheme people college grant in age ka PASF abong Ngoga College Tura ka Workings Women Hostel AB Mission Compound Tura mentaga sengi. Aba ajing tren kum ukong san hakane ka sengi ulampang jong ka yang da ba tau an ka jela Meghalaya u Thomas A Sangma ula banjer lo ka jing don kam ban penklanya ka lat pule puthi aga thain rilum garo. Hakane ka jing rakhela sam ki shiti tungkam shakinong trei ban pen I ya ka dak jong ka jing sedang trei kam jong ka ne ka scheme ha abong Nuga College.
Members of ESM Foundation. And I'm very proud today to stand here and be the chief guest for the education as People's College.
Komisi benta banyak kun persyak halo ke jingkiu jong ke jingkai bean ya ki drok ha ke ribhoi ke badai ke lenti ke bekongsan banyak rung se Meghalaya ki pulit ke ribhoi lengba ke kenhon anti narcotic task force ni ANTF kila syem mikilat jingeda ki bebiang ki pulit kin sia trelang bat barok ki dorba snong jong ke ribhoi bat kin penki emru ya ki kenhon village defense party selani VDP banyak trelang ha ke banyak kun persyak ke jingkai ya ki drok. Aba Ajing Krensha Kadidi News Meghalaya u Additional Superintendent of Police uba Banrap Lang Jerwa uba la banjur baki pulit ke ribhoi haringkat ke jing trelang bat baro ki tanat pulit ki layai petngor bat tre shitom persya ya ke jing kai ba nya ki drok.
Nadu arjar masudon kanika data nadu arjar akhuai hadu menta almost 100% case bagi register nangta ke ganja ke balakem dulu lah poi kumba 100 kg duna ke heroin dulu kumba 100 kg kibang ila arrest dah lah kentup kumba almost nyok hongot ki brio padon lang ikan thei ro chinrang ro ikan thei gidon kumba chpong ki bla sakem jan borok ini ki case menta kidang ya ka trial kadang lang ka trial stage
Kahinyau Trop Youth Council ni HYC Southwest Khasi Hills District haka kat atrik ubnai nai lor kalar ke lingkhu snam beshipo jongka haka jinga lenti jongki ban shakri ke imlang ka salang bat ka district hibaro kawai ya ka HYC Southwest Khasi Hills District la seng haka kat atrik ubnai nai lor ahajar kat saw kumshi benta nakani ka jingra ke HYC Southwest Khasi Hills District kala pelong ka lempung ile kai football ka ba shisngi haka ba lawan ban shim benta da kishna trekam ba per bat ke HYC South Lingam Circle kala long kala du hakani ke lempung mentapat ini pe ke jinglong jingman ka sumineng hanong ba shlong ka jing shit ka long upon real point in real degree Celsius bat ka jing khiat ka long khat nyo point in real degree Celsius ka jing sngam gau hau ka long ru phone shispa aga performance step ban nyo phone shispa aga por jan miet ka jing half slap ka long away point khandai millimeters kala bandon ka jing half slap bat ka jing tiet upar that haki babon ki jaka shwaban poi shek bakut jong thup khubon pe byang sa isen yakini kimat bakong san kubur uba ombon ba kiudor ki jhur ki jhap bat ka do anong ba shlong kan taj pat ba ka don ka jing kiudor habaro ko wei gejla on board ke jela Meghalaya ke hukum jong soka pedeng ban pentri kamno daki smart meter ong u menteri ketnat boarding Pelong jelang sekolah ke HDC hadiang ke jengklat kandidat UMDC ke nong thamai uba lakit lang karkongor. Kentaj menteri ketnat boarding man ailat kali ki bakam khia banyak lingba ke jengking umyam hadian bagasoka kelada pelut palat arpo kulur ban maramot yaka. Batchong jingya ki kaseng Voice of the People's Party ban persyajur ia ke jengkiu dor ki mata. Teparlok katung ila poish bekut jeng ketuk kubor jeng mentaga janmiet haduk ban syamit pilasai kesengi hagajuk kepo kedai siboni pibaro.
चिन्हित स्थान ऐसा टारगेट है कि लगभग